Hello and welcome back to my channel Films by Abida. Today my task is co-ord set. Nowadays I am obsessed with co-ord set. This is the drafting pattern of top part. Let's start with top part. I already cut out the fabric as given drafting pattern. Here I have two pieces of front part. I giving them overlapping design. Now I'm going to sew them together along with back part. I'm cutting bias stripes for edges of the neck and overlapping opening area. Here I'm going to join all the bias with each other. I'm putting bias stripes over the edges of the opening area of the neck and the overlap. Giving notch cut, I'm going to turn over this fabric to the wrong side and give one more stitch. But first thing first, I have to give neat iron over the stitch line. Here I am preparing to make sleeves on the linen fabric. Width of the sleeves will be 7 inches and that length will be 2 inches. Here I am making batwing sleeves, so I don't need to cut sleeves separately. First I joined a made fabric, then I'm going to join this linen fabric. For Dory, I'm taking this true stripes and leaving 0.5 centimeter. I sewed the stripes and now using this thin refill, I am going to turn this fabric into the dory. You can use lye or anything, whatever you have in your home. Here I am sew this dory over the marking area of the top. For embellishment, I'm using this beautiful lace over the top. For bottom part, here is the drafting of mine. Here I also cut it out the pattern of the uh, bottom part. You can see. Now I'm nicely attaching, joining all the parts of the bottom. Continuously stitching is so boring as well as so excitement of the final look of the garment, isn't it? Okay. And I during stitching I like to listen music, my favorite tracks and all. What you do between stitching? What kind of songs do you like to listen during stitching? Please comment down below. I folded the belt area and iron nicely, leaving for belt I leave 1.5 inches and then fold the belt area and iron nicely. Here I am using clips to not move here and there, not to move the fabric and stability, and it is also help to stitch the fabric easily, and help to stitch easily. I interlock all the raw edges of the garment. Oh, ta-da! Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please comment down below and see you next time. Bye.